Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Tulsa. First you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top there's this address bar, type down cityoftulsa.org and you need to enter it. And once inside this homepage of Tulsa, you need to scroll a bit down here and select this pay a traffic ticket. And after that you need to select this pay online here in the top. So over here, once you get inside this interface, you need to type down your ticket number here. And after that, type down the validation number. And over here, you need to select this continue here. And after that, you'll get this amount due here. You can review the amount due and complete the payment. And you can print or save a receipt for your records. And tickets generally take 7 to 10 days to be processed and appear online. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.